Hello, today I'm going to show you 3 different ways of eating custard apple, which is popularly known as Sita Phal in India. So, the first method is to eat the ripened custard apple. So, how do you ripe this? So, you have to keep it in some container, and how do you identify whether it is ripe or not? So, when you are touching, you feel that softness. So, then break it into 2 pieces from the center, as I'm showing here, and then eat one by one. Like one piece, you can see like eye kind, right? Take it and then drop the seeds, which are in black color, okay? And if the seed is black in color, like dark black, then the fruit is like so delicious. Okay, I cannot control myself. Let me have it. If you don't have patience to eat one by one, and if you're not in a mood to enjoy the flavor, then you can also have all at once. So, keeping that base portion, and then drop all the seeds at once. Okay. Ta-da! I'm gonna complete one fruit successfully. And now the second ripe fruit. So some people, what they do is they do remove the complete outer portion, which is in green color, and then have the inner part at once. So some people may use spoon also, like they don't want to use their hands, maybe they don't like to. So as you wish. So have it with a spoon, or directly with your fingers, or directly with your mouth sometimes. Okay. Yeah, make sure the fruit is good and well enough. So I'm done with 2 fruits, and the third one, unfortunately, it is not good. So how do you find whether it is good or not? So if the fruit is like over ripened, then you can see the white worms inside it. So make sure that it is not there, otherwise you may get stomach pain or some other problems. So make sure the fruit is good, and then only have it. Okay. I'm so sad that I wasted it, but it's okay. Okay, now the second method of eating custard apple. It is by roasting, or you can say burning. Sorry, not bursting. And if you want to say like restaurant way, barbecue. Okay, BBQ nation. Okay, so you should have that fire coals, and you have to keep the raw one. So you have to make sure that your custard apple is not a fruit, it should be the raw one. Okay, then only you can eat, otherwise it won't be that good to have. Actually, few people don't like to have the watery kind of fruit. So they do this kind, and then they will have the fruit. It's not a fruit, sorry, it's a raw one of tubi fruit. See, this flame is looking like exactly a man, right? Okay, so now we are taking out these and the custard apples, the raw ones. So you again have to split it, and then if you see, the inner part would be like super white and outer part is like super black in color. So you need to have the white part, and it don't have any water content much, so you can consume it. And when you're touching it, please make use of any cloth or something, otherwise what happens is your hands will become dark because of that ash and all. Okay. Actually, many of my friends don't like custard apple because of the white worms I have shown in the ripe one. So I recommend the people who don't like to have the fruits, they can have this way. Or yeah. And one more thing is like when you're plucking the custard apples, it should be like tender fruit kind. So it should not be like a very small one, it should not be like a ripe one. So in the middle you can see the redness in between those joints of the green parts. So at the end of this video I will show you few fruits, image of the fruit, so you can get it what I mean. Okay. And even at the beginning I have shown you which kind of fruits we have plucked, so that way you have to pluck the tender ones, and then it's your wish whether you want to eat like a ripe one or like the burnt one. Okay. Okay, now we are gonna have the third way of eating custard apples, which is boiling. Okay, so here you need to boil in water, and like here we are taking only few, but if you have a big family and many people want to have, you can also take a big vessel and pour water in it. And few people also add salt, rock salt. Like it's based on how you want to have. Okay, here we didn't actually add any extra thing except water, and we have boiled the sitafals, custard apples, and this is how it looks like. And it like when you touch, you get a feeling of starch. Okay, so it's so nice to have. I liked it, but I liked only when it is hot, but when it becomes cool, the taste changes. So it depends how you like. Maybe you can try on your own, and then you can share your experience, how you felt. Okay, so these three different ways, especially in South India, we used to have the custard apples, and other sides there are many different ways of eating, even many different ways of only the ripe one. Okay, so we have to finished eating in this season many custard apples, and we have a feeling that happiness is to get custard apples to eat. What do you say? Okay then, thanks a lot. Try yourself and don't forget to share your experience in the comments. Chalo then, bye bye.